Are you sure this is the right road, Mark?
Yeah, just farther than I expected.
It feels like the trees are watching us.
Cool. It's like a secret place.
I don't have signal anymore.
Dad's fine. Just for the weekend.
Mom, even the birds stopped.
Then they're hiding.
It's really remote.
That's the point. Quiet. Us.
Why does it lean like that?
Can I explore?
It smells old.
Character.
These scratches weren't here from H. There's a trapdoor. They're all facing the same way.
Let's not wander too far.
Probably animals.
Big ones! Jake, slow down. The ground sounds hollow.
Maybe we shouldn't.
Jake, step back.
Dad! Mark!
That's not rock.
Everyone back, now!
This wasn't natural.
Someone hid this.
Why? Are we in trouble?
We shouldn't be here.
Stay close.
It's colder. I don't like it.
Oh my God!
This wasn't for storage.
It's a prison.
Who was here? We're leaving right now.
Agreed.
What if someone's still here? I don't want to stay.
No.
Mark, what do you mean that's it?
We're stuck.
I want home. It got dark too fast.
We'll wait until morning.
Did you hear that?
The woods are loud.
Nobody opens anything tonight.
I don't like this place.
We'll stay together.
Promise. Please tell me you heard that.
I did.
It's coming from underneath us.
Someone's hurt.
Mark, don't.
I have to.
I'll stay with Mom.
Be careful, Dad.
It's a kitten.
Oh, thank God.
It's alive.
We can save it.
Someone fed it?
Recently.
So, someone's still here?
Why leave it?
These are new.
We're not alone.
Then we don't split up.
We keep him safe.
Someone's walking. They're upstairs.
Lights off. Now.
Don't move.
Nobody breathe.
They're so close.
They're pacing.
Did they leave?
Or are they listening?
They know we're here.
I want it quiet.
We move. Slowly.
Okay. Okay.
No noise. I'll hold him. He wrote everything down.
Why so many tunnels?
Planning. Obsession.
Who is he hiding from?
He lived here. Alone.
For how long?
Decades?
Did he leave?
Those aren't old.
He's back.
Or someone else is.
I don't like this game.
You're rushing us.
We don't have time.
Please stop fighting.
I'm scared. He's warm.
He trusts you.
So do we.
We protect what's small. There's air here.
A hidden chamber.
Or another trap?
We find it.
Did you see that?
We're being watched.
He knows our path.
Don't leave us.
This isn't solid.
Mark. It's moving. It's a door.
He lived down here.
Recently.
He planned everything.
Like a maze.
He thought the world was dangerous.
So he hid from it.
And trapped himself.
Was he lonely? just stops.
He disappeared.
But not willingly. Then where is he?
He left the kitten.
To lure hope.
Or to test trust. He's not bait, he's ours. The ground.
Move! Now!
Another collapse. Don't stop.
We're trapped again.
No, we adapt.
The other route.
Please hurry!
This way.
I'm with you.
Just keep moving. We're almost out.
Light.
That's our way out!
But listen.
Someone's there!
He found us.
Stay behind me.
We're not hiding anymore.
We stick together.
Why did it stop?
It didn't expect us.
It's scared.
Like the kitten was.
You shouldn't be here.
We're leaving.
We don't want trouble.
Are you hurt?
The world up there, it takes.
You're not alone.
We can help.
We found your kitten.
I couldn't climb out.
So you built below.
And hid.
It's over now. Come with us.
I don't belong.
You do.
The kitten needs you.
I see the sky.
Almost there.
We made it!
He's purring.
We're out.
We're safe.
It's beautiful. We saved him.
They found us.
Finally.
They'll help him too.
Everyone's okay.
Thank you.
You're safe now.
You're not forgotten.
None of us are.
Can we keep him?
Definitely.
He brought us together.
It feels lighter out here.
I didn't realize how far I drifted.
Some places hold on to fear. He's not scared anymore.
We needed this.
Even the bad parts.
Especially the bad parts.
They made us stick.
I'll be home more.
That's all we wanted.
We just want you here.
All of us.
Welcome home.
Looks like we grew by 1.
You're safe now.
His name is Pines.
Some places hide stories. Not all of them want to be forgotten.
I hear you now.
You coming in?
Yeah.
You're not alone. The forest keeps what it's given. Some fears fade, but we remember where they lived.
If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support helps us create more stories. Thanks for watching. See you next time.